how to reorder the edge panels on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down, then tap on display. After that, we go down and tap on edge panels, then tap on panels. From here to reorder the edge panels, tap on the three dots button at the top, then tap on reorder. From here, you can touch and hold on the item and then drag it to the new place that you want to reorganize. So here, simply drag it to the left or to the right to reorder your edge panels item. Okay, so swipe across here. So let's say if you want to move people to the first place or to the first position, simply drag it to the leftmost, and then after that, tap on the back key to save the changes. And that is how you can reorder your edge panels item. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.